Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can credit a sales invoice what you have issued already to customer on Coconut accounting software. So on mobile app, go to section invoices, find an invoice which you want to credit. For example, I will have Henry invoice, and on top there is 3 dots. Click on edit, and where you have line items, services, add a new line item for the amount what you want to credit. So in my case, I want to credit whole invoice for 150. So plus I will add a service. Okay, and I will add 150. But now I have an option at the bottom left corner, there is negative line item, enable, so amount 150 converts to minus 150. Click add, and now you have second line called service credit, and total amount is 0. Click next, save, and distribute out to client. Okay. So now when we go back to Henry, amount from 150 has changed to 0, and we can see the total amount is 0. So in this episode I showed how you can credit an invoice which you have issued to customer. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared a link in description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial. Also, there is a link to my personal and unbiased Coconut accounting software review. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.